Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that like button, go on ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload new content. In this video, we will be making a quick butter chicken, so let's get right into it. Right here, you see that I am just putting some ghee into a pan that is warming up on my stove. You can use olive oil, you can use butter, but I am going to begin sauteing and cooking the chicken breast. So right here, I'm going to add to the hot pan some diced up onion. The base for butter chicken is always some diced onion, some fresh garlic, and some fresh ginger. So in the pan, I am adding chopped up onion into the pan to saute it until it's about translucent. To the onions, I'm going to add up some fresh ginger and garlic. I'm going to just cook that together so that it gives off such a fragrant aroma. And to the pan, I'm going to add up my cubed chicken breast. I used about 4 chicken breasts. I cut them into cubes, and now I'm adding them into the pot. I'm going to begin adding seasonings to the chicken. I am going to list everything that I use in this video in the description box. For seasonings, I use gram masala, some turmeric, some cumin, salt, coriander, some white pepper, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, which is optional depending on if you like it spicy or not. And then I don't add exact measurements. I don't know the exact measurements. I usually just eyeball it to where, I think it's enough. So you can always add more or less depending on how you like it. You guys, I want to apologize because I thought that I was recording the sauce and showing you guys what I use, but I put it on the screen. It is the Pataks, or the Pataks, excuse my pronunciation, butter chicken curry simmer sauce. You get that at your local grocery store. I found mine at Walmart, but the sauce already has some extra Indian-based seasonings, so it is really good. I dump that to the cooked chicken, add my whipping cream, add some butter, and then I add more seasoning depending on what I think it needs, but that's really it. The Patak's brand makes making butter chicken so easy and so convenient to where you can have a quick butter chicken meal on a weeknight. I just continue cooking the chicken in the sauce and simmer it on medium to medium high. It could be a little bit lower if you want, depending on your stove, but I just let it simmer for another good 15 minutes and that's it. I just let the flavors and the seasonings all marry together. So I just season it and then let it simmer some more, about a good 10-15 more minutes, and I pour it over my rice with my naan bread. That's it, guys. This quick butter chicken recipe is great for weeknights when you are craving it, but you don't want to spend hours making it. This also pairs well with the naan bread that I had made in the previous video. To see that recipe, the link will be in the description. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.